While many of us are still enjoying our tulips and our daffodils this spring, it's not too early to start thinking about our summer bulbs. Actually, now is the time that we want to plant them. Today we're going to be planting some gladiolas. This would be also the time we want to plant some calla lilies or some dahlias. And so what we want to do is we're going to dig a small little hole. We'll read the directions on the package with how deep we want to go. These are going to be about 4 to 5 inches deep. So we'll dig our hole. We want to make sure that we have good drainage. And then we'll take our bulbs. The easy thing about these, you just kind of drop them in the hole and just place them right in there. Sometimes it's kind of hard because we don't know what the top or the bottom of the bulb might be. So when in doubt, you can either just plant it on its side or just throw it in. The bulbs are pretty resilient and they're going to find their way up to the top. So once we have our bulbs planted in there, we're just going to sprinkle the soil right over the top. Like that. Plant them down in there, and then we can take and we want to mark them. So in case we're doing some digging later this year before they start coming up, you can use like an old fork or a nursery tag, or sometimes it's even fun just to take a rock and write the name right on there. So we'll mark our bulbs, we'll water them in, and we'll get to enjoy them the rest of the summer.